For number 9, a cement kiln with production capacity of 130 tons per day, 24 hours of clinker, has its burning zone about 45 tons of magnesite chrome bricks, being replaced periodically. Depending on some operational factors and the life of the bricks, if locally produced bricks cost 25,000 per ton and have a life of 4 months, while certain imported bricks costing 30,000 per ton and have a life of 6 months. Determine the more economical bricks and how much is the difference in the cost of replacement. So for this particular example, we are going to compare two materials again, which is the locally made bricks and the imported bricks. So for this problem, we're going to consider only 1 year of replacement. So lagay ko lang dito, considering 1 year. So, una nating isolve is si locally produced bricks o si local bricks. So, lagay natin local bricks. So, kay local bricks, meron daw siyang life of 4 months. So, considering 1 year, ilang beses tayo magpapalit? So, di ba meron 12 months in a year. So, divide by 4 ay 3 replacement. So, dito, ilagay natin is dito na lang. Gastusin. So, total cost niya is equal to 25,000 daw ang presyo per ton. So, ilalagay natin yung 25,000. Ilang tons ba ang kailangan natin? 45. So, times 45. Tapos, ilang beses tayo magre-replace? So, 3 beses. So, times 3. So, ilan lahat ito? So, we have 3,375,000. Yan, sorry. 375,000. So, total cost in peso. So, may peso sign dito. So, that is only for local bricks pa lang. So, paano naman kay imported bricks? So, isolve natin. Lagay lang muna natin dito sa baba. So, for imported bricks, so, isulat lang natin dito. So, ayan. So, ilang naman replacement kapag si imported bricks ang ating pinili. So, sabi, si imported bricks daw ay merong life na 6 months. So, 12 months divide by 6, meron tayong 2 replacement that is every 6 months. Tama? Kasi yun yung kanyang estimated life. 6 months. So, katulad ng ginawa natin kay local bricks, solvein din natin ang total cost. So, total cost is equal to, magkano ang presyo ni imported bricks? 30,000. So, 30,000. Ilang tons of bricks ang kailangan natin? 45 tons. So, times 45. Ilang replacement? Dalawa. So, times 2. So, ito ay equal sa 2,700,000. So, from the total cost, mapapansin natin na mas mura si imported bricks. Pero, sabi dito, tinanong niya pa na how much is the difference in the cost of replacement. So, ibig sabihin, difference, pag maminusin natin itong dalawa. So, lagay natin dito, difference is equal to 3,375,000 minus 2,700,000. So, this is equal to 675,000 pesos. So, yan, yung peso sign, lagay natin sa una. So, ngayon, ano nang ating final answer? So, taas lang natin. So, our final answer is imported bricks is more economical by 675,000.